Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Kenworth t800 factory built glider kit to show you today. It's built with a 3406E 550 cat 10-speed extended cab, and it has 425,000 miles. Fresh out of detail this morning. Going to do a full walk around. I've gotten it hot. Going to show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by, and then finish up on the inside, interior and oil pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. Hard to find 3406 in a nice work truck like this. Still good miles. Blow by looks great. Body and paint overall looks really good. You'll have some minor little rock chips in there, but nothing beat up or busted. Factory split tank for your wet kit. New drives. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Fantastic shape all around. Southern truck, there's no rust. Straight there. Overall, really good. Love the extended cab in these. Gives you a lot of extra needed room. Interior's clean, got extra gauges. See up to operating temp, great low side oil pressure. Love to see that on a cat. Super smooth through the RPMs. And oil pressure climbs exactly like she's supposed to. Oh, love the sound on an old cat. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.